Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn one of the most important topic in Linux, that is file permission. What are file permission? In Linux, every file and directory has a permission that control who can read, write and execute. There are three types of permission: read, write and execute. Read means view file or list directory. Write means edit or delete file or create file inside a directory. Execute means run a file as a program or enter a directory. And this permission apply to three categories: owner, group and others. Let's see checking permission. To check the file permission, we use the command that is ls-l. Let's see in the terminal. Firstly, we check the file name, file1.txt. We can see the permission of file1.txt. ls-l command shows the file permission. This is the full access to owner, group and other. If this string is started with a hyphen, means this is a file, or if it is started with the D, then that is a directory. Let's change the file permission with the help of chmod command. Then 744, then write file name file1.txt, enter. Let's see the file permission. Let's see the difference between the old permission and new permission. Means ls-l command used to check the permission, and chmod command is used to change the file permission. Let's see in the details. In numeric mode, permission are represented by the numbers. Means read equal to 4, write equal to 2 and execute equal to 1. An example, chmod is chmod 755 and file name means owner has a read, write and execute permission. Group have a write and execute permission, and others have a read and execute permission. That's it. If you like this video, please like, subscribe. That's it. Thank you.